Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Starlink how to purchase service. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to purchase Starlink service, the first method that you can use is using the Starlink app on your iPhone or Android. To do it, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up the Starlink application. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, then tap on sign in to sign in with your account. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon once again, and on tapping it, what you need to do is you'll be provided with options. Here you'll find the option that says manage subscription. Simply select that, and once you select that, what you need to do is on the subscription select activate service. Then once you're inside the activate service, you'll find an option that says for service. Simply tap on that, and now all you gotta do is tap on confirm, and the service pauses at the end of your current billing cycle. You can also pause using a computer by simply heading over to the browser, the Starlink website, log into your account, then open subscriptions and select your active plan, then simply click on pause service and then tap on confirm. This works the same way as the app and is often easier on the computer. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.